Welcome to 2ByteCode. I am Divyanshu Singh and today in this video we are going to see that how we can create this international phone number text field in Flutter app. As you can see, it is quite responsive and it works quite fine. So let's see how we can implement it. But before going to the implementation, have you heard of Flutter Academy? It's an app where you can learn Flutter app development. So please consider it downloading. Now let's head back to the video. So as you can see, I have a very basic app here where I have this white screen. It is because I have nothing inside this scaffold but a center widget. Now inside this center widget, I will add a child property. Now we need to go to the web to get a package. You need to go to the Google and type Flutter INTL phone field. This INTL means international. You have to click on the first link, then go to installing and just copy this code. Now go back to the VS Code in the terminal, paste it here. This will install this dependency in our pubspec.yaml file, as you can see here. Now we can use this inside the center widget. Now let me go back to the readme file, and here we have the all code. Just copy it and paste it here. So we are done with the video. No, I'm just kidding. We are not yet done. It is important to understand the implementation of how it is done. So I'm going to rewrite all this code so that I can tell you how it works. So let me remove all this and let's write it once again. So first of all, we need to call the widget, which is INTL phone field. And here we need to pass some bunch of code to make it more decorative and also make it even attractive. So the first thing that we are going to do is to provide an initial country code. In my case, I am putting IN, which stands for India. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to provide it some decoration. Now inside this decoration, I will call input decoration, just like we do in the normal text field. Now inside this input decoration, I will call the border property and pass the outline input border. Now inside this outline input border, I will use the border side and I will pass border side. This will provide border to our text field. So let's see how it looks. Now if I hit hot reload, let's see what happens. So here I have this text field right here. Now what I want is I want to give it some padding. So I will wrap it inside the padding. And here instead of all, I will pass symmetric horizontal 16. So I have passed 16 pixel padding horizontally. So let's see how it looks. So yeah, now it looks quite better. And what I can do is I can also provide some hint text here. So I will again go to the input decoration and here I will call hint text and pass our hint text. Enter phone number. Now hit reload. So we have this hint text right here. Now as you can see, we have a bunch of blue lines here. Blue lines are basically the warning that Flutter gives you, and you must not ignore them, but you can ignore them. They don't really affect the development process, but it can be a crucial element when you are optimizing your app for the better performance. So let me add a constant here, and this will solve all our problems. Now hit reload and we have our phone text field ready here. So as you can see, we have completed the aim of this video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, keep watching, keep coding with 2ByteCode.